Wireframe Transition Effect Blender. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, tap to open Blender on your desktop. Next, press Ctrl and O, then locate and open your previous project file. Make sure the project already contains an object before continuing. After that, press Z and switch to Material Preview mode so you can see the material changes more clearly. Go to the side panel and find the Material section. Add a new material, then press Tab and click Assign to apply it to the selected object. Once that is done, move to the Shading workspace from the tabs at the top. Before proceeding, confirm that the Node Wrangler add-on has already been enabled in Preferences. Then disconnect the principled BSDF node. Duplicate it by pressing Shift and D, and press Shift and A to add new nodes. Using the search bar, add a mix shader, a wireframe node, and a gradient texture node. Connect both BSDF nodes to the mix shader inputs. Next, connect the wireframe factor output to the mix shader factor input. Afterward, connect the mix shader output to the surface input on the material output node. Go to the gradient texture node and connect its factor output to the alpha input of the second BSDF. Press Ctrl and T to automatically add mapping and texture coordinate nodes. Then change the wireframe color on the second principled BSDF to any color you prefer. If desired, make the effect more transparent by lowering the alpha value on the first BSDF. After that, use the mapping node to choose the direction you want the animation to follow. Next, create a new panel near the top of the interface and change it to a timeline panel. Set the starting frame and ending frame for the animation. Move the mapping location value to the desired position and press I to insert a keyframe. Go to another frame, adjust the location again, and press I once more to create a second keyframe. When everything is finished, review the animation by pressing the playback button and watching the result carefully.